Welcome back to another video, guys. Was that intro music a bit far? Probably. A new horse to the channel this week, so stick around if you want to see how that goes. And we'll get into it. This horse has been barefoot over winter, just coming back into work. We're going to stick a pair of side clip equilibrium shoes on and get him on his way. This is my new POV setup, which I'm hoping gives a bit of a different perspective to the job. So if you like it, if you don't like it, let me know in the comments. Be greatly appreciated. I'm also still working on getting the best angles, so forgive me, there's a few shots that are not particularly central, but I think for the most part it's worked pretty well. You can see there, these shoes are not going to need a whole lot of crashing and bashing to make them fit well. They're not too far away out the box, so we'll just set the clips on, sort the quarters out, and get them burnt on. It's important we dress the flare to maintain a strong hoof and help avoid any cracks. It also allows us a better clip fit, nice and flush against the hoof wall. It's important here to only take out a thin notch, the same thickness as the clip, and let the burn do the rest, so we're not hacking quarters away from horses' feet here. As I said before, we want to keep the feet as strong as possible in every aspect. I can already see the comments. Why are you grinding clips up? Well, for no other reason than it looks nice. There you go. This channel is a long way off any sort of sponsorship, but if anyone from Monster happened to be watching, hit me up. I don't believe there's a more refreshing breakfast ever. Gonna get that shoe nailed on now. Don't tend to use more than 6 nails, sometimes 5, sometimes 4 if it's only a small foot. Not quite sure what the obsession with filling all the nail holes in. 8 nails, 8 holes in the feet. Again, just goes against the trying to keep feet strong. So usually stick with 5 or 6. Give the back feet a little tidy up, and that's this big lad finished for another 6 to 8 weeks. Thanks for watching, especially if you watched right to the end. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Be amazing if we could hit that over the next few videos. See you on the next one.